So in this video, we're going to talk about calibrating the ion counter. This one specifically is from Alpha Lab. This is the AIC2M and the AIC200M. The difference being, this is going to do 2 million. This would read up to 200 million. This is going to be the more sensitive model. And you would use this in your occupancy space. And this one here is one you would use to take measurements at the phenomenal air unit. So let me take this, put one to the side here, and I'm gonna show you how to calibrate these units. They both calibrate the same way. So the first thing we're gonna do is turn it to this first setting here. This is the most sensitive setting. We're gonna let it do its thing here. Now, I purposely moved this knob out of calibration. What this knob does allows you to fine tune these meters and zero these out. So the goal here is to get a zero reading. On the AIC200M, it's a lot easier than the 2 because this one's reading up to 200 million, so it has the lower end is a little bit less sensitive than the AIC2M. So right now we zeroed it out. Most of the time this is not going to deviate too much from the center mark. Now what we're going to do is we're going to measure our ions. Now this is a triple toggle switch, meaning that you can measure negative or positive, and then there's a neutral position. Right now it's in a neutral position when we do this offset. To take a measurement, for example, negative ions, we're going to flip it to negative and flip it to measure. And that's how you would calibrate this and use it. If you need to do positive ions, you would flip this up. And there's a period of about, say, 30 seconds where this is gonna flutter a little bit, and then it'll stabilize. Right now we're in an environment where there's really not a whole lot of ions being introduced, so that's the reason why you see zeros here. And then also this is the less sensitive model. So on the other one, you'd be seeing around 1,000 ions or less in here. So.